Ever wondered how psychic face reading really works? In this video, we'll explore what a psychic face reader can uncover about you, the subtle cues hidden in your expressions, and the challenges that make accurate readings tricky. You'll also discover powerful ways to sharpen your intuition and improve the accuracy of your psychic facial readings. Stay tuned, your face may reveal more than you think. Eyes are the gateway to the soul. Herman Melville. Every time partners have a disagreement, one of them will ask the other to gaze into their eyes and speak the truth or share their message. This heartfelt practice is rooted in the belief that the eyes are the windows to the soul, revealing true emotions and thoughts that words might not capture. When partners lock eyes during a conflict, it becomes a powerful way to encourage honesty and transparency. When you lock eyes, it's like magic. Your energy levels align perfectly, and if you're truly in sync, even your heartbeats match up. This incredible connection helps smooth out any differences in the relationship. The intensity of gazing into each other's eyes can create an atmosphere of vulnerability and trust, encouraging both individuals to confront their feelings and communicate openly. The reason is justified in the above quote, as such direct engagement can lead to deeper understanding and resolution of misunderstandings, ultimately strengthening the bond between partners. Psychic readers look into the eyes of a person, along with her facial gestures and smile to give a reading. This practice is rooted in the idea that nonverbal cues play a significant role in communication and can provide insights that go beyond spoken words. By observing the intricate details of a person's expression, psychic readers can gather information about their emotional state and underlying intentions. Through psychic reading, psychic readers can find the presence of evil entities or demonic possession, which often manifests in subtle changes in a person's demeanor or energy. The ability to perceive these disturbances is not merely a matter of observation. It requires a heightened sensitivity to the spiritual and emotional vibrations that surround an individual. The conclusion is given through intuition. This intuitive process is often guided by the psychic's unique abilities, allowing them to interpret the signals they receive and provide clarity or guidance to those seeking answers. People can do a psychic reading directly looking at a person's face or entering into a deep state of trance. The act of looking directly into someone's face allows for an immediate connection that can facilitate the flow of energy between the reader and the subject. This connection is crucial for the accuracy of the reading, as it enables the reader to tap into the emotional and spiritual aspects of the individual. Alternatively, entering into a deep state of trance can enhance the psychic reading experience, as it allows the reader to access a different level of consciousness. In this state of consciousness, the psychic reader can delve deeper into the person's aura and energy field, potentially uncovering insights that may not be accessible in a normal state of awareness. The person has to remember the face, in the deep state of trance, to give an accurate reading. This recollection is essential, as it anchors the reader's focus and helps maintain a connection to the subject throughout the reading. Deep trance readings offer exceptional accuracy by bypassing the interference of the logical mind, enabling a profound connection to spiritual insights and truths that effectively guide individuals seeking clarity. If your eyes are clouded with selfishness and evil, illusion follows you like a shadow, followed by self-destruction. Note that this requires continual practice of meditation, for decades. The accuracy of your insights and perceptions can be significantly affected if you are biased or carry prejudice in your mind. Meditation is not merely a fleeting activity or a one-time event. It is a lifelong journey that demands dedication, commitment, and a willingness to confront one's inner thoughts and feelings. Over the years, as you engage in regular meditation, you develop a deeper understanding of your own mental patterns and emotional responses. This ongoing practice helps to cultivate a state of mindfulness, allowing you to observe your thoughts without judgment. However, it is crucial to recognize that biases and prejudices can cloud your judgment and distort your perceptions. These mental filters can arise from various sources, including societal influences, personal experiences, and cultural conditioning. When you approach meditation with a mind that is cluttered by preconceived notions or unfounded beliefs, the clarity you seek can become obscured. This can lead to misinterpretations of your experiences during meditation, ultimately hindering your spiritual growth and self-awareness. To mitigate these biases, it is essential to engage in self-reflection and remain open to new perspectives. This may involve examining your beliefs and questioning their validity. As you progress in your meditation practice, strive to cultivate an attitude of curiosity and compassion towards yourself and others. By doing so, you can create a more conducive environment for genuine insights to emerge. Remember, the path of meditation is not just about achieving a state of tranquility. It is also about fostering a clearer, more unbiased understanding of your inner world and the world around you. In conclusion, the journey of meditation is a profound one that requires patience and perseverance. The longer you practice, the more adept you become at recognizing and setting aside your biases, allowing for more accurate and meaningful experiences. Embrace this journey with an open heart and mind, and you will find that the fruits of your labor are well worth the effort. Tell us what you feel about this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.